So I bought this telescope and I'm just checking out this object I saw in the heavens, in the skies above. Found this, I don't know what it is, asteroid or whatever the heck it is, but it's weird. The contours and all, what are all these spots? Then I saw this weird, oh there it is, look. What is that? What is that thing? Some sort of weird structure or something, or vehicle? I don't know. It's too big to be a vehicle because I'm on a surface here. If you zoom in, I'll try to fix the resolution here. Look, I don't know what that is. That's the closest I can get of it. That's the closest, clearest picture I can get of whatever that object is on this asteroid, man. That just is not normal. Sorry, I'm new at this telescope thing. But see that? Look. Try to adjust it. That's something, man. I don't know what that is. But it's definitely not natural. Especially when you're really looking at a burrito. Oh, it's my breakfast burrito. But I still want to know what the hell that weird thing was on it.